Okay, more things to open and show you and put together and try out. Things. And some pieces of balsa wood that have been laser cut. And it is one of them. This was a Temu special. You know, I do love a bit of crap from Temu. And the idea being that if this works, at some point in the future, kind of the same sort of future where this table gets resanded and re-varnished, you know, when I have an east wing with a pond outside, I could probably make this into an actual real thing rather than just something made out of extremely flimsy wood. But for now, today we're putting together a foam cutter. Okay, so you have this. Okay, these go together like that. Fix the other plate with 2 short screws. Okay, screw the sheep eye now into hole 4. Sheep eye now, otherwise known as a hook. Don't know if this goes through this way or the other way. It will be whatever way I do it, it'll be the other way. There'll be that. Fix the isolation columns with short screws. Let's make a mess. Plate 4 is stuck on plate 2. That doesn't fit on there. I said whatever we do will be wrong. How do you identify which one's which? So it goes like that then. And then that goes into there like that and then falls out. Is that 1 or 2? Oh good, we do love a really vague instruction manual. Do we have any clue? So it would make sense it goes like that, but then neither of them go in there. Who knows? But then where's the other one? There's 2 of them. Where's the other one? That's too big. But that's too small. That's wobbly. Fix the isolation columns with small screws. How? You should go from the bottom up. Like that. And put that in there like that. That doesn't fit like that. It might fit in there if you jam it. Yes, that fits in there. I mean, it makes sense that that goes through there and then into that one. The holes don't line up. Of course they don't. There's no way that fits together. That should go in there like that and the 2 should go in there like that. But they don't. I think that's got to be cut off. Executive decision time. Wherever it is, I'm going to this is a big mistake. Use of the 3rd hand there, otherwise known as my mouth. That jams into there like so. I need to go special awareness, well done. Fear that is going to fall apart. Yeah, it's going to snap. Shaky hand. This is because I'm trying to do this quickly, which is never a good idea. Because I'm aware of content taking too long. I mean, lots of time lapse. Fix isolation columns on the 4 corners of this plate. climber's fingers, not model maker's fingers. So my fingers are way too bulky to do tiny delicate things like this. Yeah, 25 years of climbing rocks makes your fingers wide. You can tell my little finger I don't use is so much smaller than anything else. I cannot get this screw, it is not going in. It sounds for people with very small hands. Okay, I did it. I screwed up. You know this thing, I put the two things in here. This screw fitted and was tight. Yeah. That's not right. The second one of them is meant to go here. Go in there. So what I've done is I've just cut the little bit that was on this off. And I'm jamming. We're jamming. So this is what happens. I do it, I make the mistakes, you then don't have to make the mistake. Now what I need is to get a screw hole through there. Make a hole in this. Fit the second step onto the back pane. Fix the tension spring shaft on the plate with one screw. That's done. Fix the plate one on the isolation column at the back of the base plate. Screw one end of the wire into the nail. Goes through the hole the iron wire passes through the tension spring and then turns to the left on the long screw. I did that wrong. When did it say put the long screw in? Fix the isolation column in four corners of the base plate. Fixed isolation column. Yeah? Didn't say fix the screw. Okay, I'm going to try and get the screw in there, which is... Right, it does say fix screw through hole, but it doesn't say how. Ah, there's a bolt. There's a little tiny... Okay, that goes like that. Now, this thing goes on here like this. There is missing one piece. This. Okay, that's on there, that's like that. That's to go there. That gets pulled through. It doesn't say to cut the wire off. Okay, battery box goes in there like that. The red wire. Put the battery box into the hole at the bottom of the plate and clamp the iron wire with the red wire. Up there, I'm assuming. Okay, batteries are charged. I've put 3 in and put the 4th one in. There, is that on? Okay, got a bit of foam. Does this work? Oh. Look at that. It worked. It actually works. I wonder if I put that there. Now see, this is where you need improvements. You need something to be solid there. This is where you need some sort of gauge to move that up and down so it fits. So we need to improve this. There's no switch for a start. I'll electrocute myself for a minute on a 12-volt battery. Right, that's off. Okay, I'm going to try and improvise something now. Cut this. No, I'm going to have to cut it this way. Got my mask on. In 3-dimensionally. Yay, it worked. Improvements. Clearly, this needs to be bigger. I have a dog. He wants to go somewhere, but it's too hot. In itself, it is not terrible. It's not a waste of money, that's to be said. It's very simple, very basic. It needs improving. You could probably make one yourself just as well, and that might be a future project. But for now, it cuts quite well. So this is what I need. It needs to be something solid like that. Yeah. It's a little bit wobbly, it's a little bendy. It does cut a bit wonky. But for, I think it was £5 or something, it's taught me the principles of what's required. Very far away. The Temu foam cutter, I think, is a success. Bits of foam everywhere. Look, that must mean it does work. So you should take this apart, shouldn't I? Oh, here we go. Play the I can't get the battery out game. Battery out. So, partial success, mostly a success. It needs a guide, a piece of balsa wood or a piece of plywood. Cut something like that slides into there, and then you can move that up and down. It needs a switch on the batteries rather than just a battery pack. I would give this I'd say a 6 out of 10, maybe a 7 out of 10. It certainly does what it's meant to do, and that's cut random bits of XPS foam. It's done that much. With a stabiliser or something to lean against, a switch, a better housing, something a bit more protective, you could end up with something really good. But for just £5.80 or something like that, it's pretty good. It's better than the handheld one, which I've used. Another little video, another review of some piece of rubbish I bought off Temu. Hope you like this. If this was helpful, go to Temu and buy yourself one, and then adapt it. If this was good and entertaining fun, do give this video a thumbs up. Share it with somebody. Say, look, this is what that piece of crap on Temu looks like. She works. Leave me comments down below. How else can I improve this? How have you made one? And yeah, if you're not already and you want to see me make more things, models have got to be painted. Painting stuff, building stuff, burning, breaking, melting stuff, poisoning myself, hence the mask. You know where to come back to. And the best way to do that is by hitting subscribe down there, and then every Sunday you'll get a new video. Well, most Sundays. And I shall see you soon. Bye. It's a piece of balsa wood crap. My stomach is gurgling. When it comes to doing, maybe I should have done some lunch or something before. A silver screw, a bolt driver, otherwise known as a screwdriver, and one long screw.